Now our practical is Hartley oscillator. This is the circuit diagram of Hartley oscillator. In this circuit diagram, we have to connect power supply, one positive here and ground is here. In this circuit diagram, we want to find out the value of inductor. This is your inductor. In the circuit diagram, this is your inductor. We have to change this capacitor one by one and measure the value of periodic time t. How to construct the circuit? Here, first of all, this is our power supply. We have to connect the positive terminal and negative terminal. Positive terminal connect here on the circuit. Negative terminal connect on the ground line here or here. This is our common line. So we have to connect the negative terminal here. Right? Now, across this there is a CRO. So this is our CRO. This terminal, these two wires of this CRO, it is connect red to red and black to black. So first connect the CRO, second connect the power supply. Power supply, this is our power supply. The value of power supply, we have to increase the value of voltage up to 22.5 volt. You have to, with the help of these two terminal, this is your volt, this is your current range. So voltage we have to apply here in between, increase these two and see here 22.5 or 23 or 22, whatever in between this. This is your two terminal of the power supply. Now change the value of capacitor. See in the board, this is your circuit diagram. This is your circuit diagram, right? And this is your observation table. This is your observation table. For different value of capacitor, 47 picofarad, 100 picofarad, 470 picofarad, 1000 picofarad, right? By changing the different value of capacitor, measure the periodic time or time period t. Here, for this time period is this, for this time period is this, for this time period is this. So we have to find out periodic time. With the help of periodic time, find out frequency. So frequency is equal to 1 upon capital T. So whatever the value we are getting here, it is 1 upon T, and write down here for first, second, third and fourth reading. And then this is your final equation, capital L, that means the value of inductor L is equal to 1 upon 4 pi square f square C, right? You know the value of 4 pi f and C. F it is coming from here, C it is coming from here. We have to calculate the value of inductor 1, 2, 3 and 4 value, average out, and this is our final value of inductor capital L, this much value of micro Henry. See, this is our graph. How to change the capacitor? We have to change, this is your first reading, second reading and third reading. So here 3 capacitor is given. So we have to take only 1, 2 and 3 reading. Find out T and this. Here when you connect the circuit, when you switch on the power supply, we are getting here sine wave, and from this sine wave you find out the periodic time, and from this periodic time you have to find out the value of inductor. This, that means this is your actual inductor, this is the symbol of inductor, and this is the circuit diagram of Hartley oscillator. Thank you.